So today we have the Tekno SCT410.3. As you can see under there, we've got the Intellect LIHV in, and I want to see how much current it draws because this battery is getting pretty warm. Last couple of times I've run it, so I've got the clamp meter in here. It goes up to 400 amps on the first setting. So yeah, I've just taped it in, and it's clamped around the wire there so it can measure the current. It's just taped onto the truck, so let's see how many amps it draws and how many the RX8 can take. Basically, it has got a fan on it. I've got the grass out of there as well after my last run. Don't know whether I recorded that or not, but anyway, let's get it all turned on and then we can see. So I'll turn on the meter first. So you can see it's zeroed out. I just need to put it in DC mode. So you can see there it says DC. And then we just set it to max, and it should read the maximum amperage now. Just turn the remote on, put the shell on, plug it in, and then we're good to go. So it's plugged in. If I just turn it on, you can see it uses about 5 amps, even 6-7 amps just turning on. So right, we'll run it round a bit and see what this gets up to. Right, there we go, we're on. So with the amp meter on board, it is a little bit heavier, and we are on grass, but as you can see the grass is cut very short because this is a cricket pitch. It is a bit longer over there, but they have cut most of it. So I'm going to go probably down there and back and around there a few times, and then we'll see what the maximum amperage is. Try not to roll it. You can see there's a lot of cut grass over there. Try not to go into the poles as well. That would be nice. Do need to punch it, but I don't really want to wheelie because obviously I've got the amp meter in there. That's full throttle. You can see it wheeling there. Oh. Definitely do not want to wheel it or roll it with the amp meter in there because it's pretty heavy, and it'll tug pretty hard on the battery leads. Luckily the suspension on this is pretty soft and plush, so it should be alright. Alright, let's punch it out of here. It's full throttle on the longer grass. You can see it trying to take off. Right. That grass down there in the sun over there is quite a bit longer. So a full throttle acceleration in that. Well, it looks like it's spinning the wheels. It was going then. I'll do an acceleration off the line here as well. You can see it's just getting wheel spin basically. Oh, nearly went over then. It's insanely powerful, this battery. Got loads of punch, and the ESC is set to quite high punch as well. This 4700 kV motor just takes it. Absolute beast of a truck. On 2S as well. Doing over 50 mile an hour, it's quite bonkers. Oh, it's going. Yeah, it does seem to spin out to the left a bit more though. Alright, let's do one more thing across this field. Turn around. Oh, it's swaying a little bit. Right, see how many amps we got. Right, I'll do it all in one take hopefully. We've been driving for about 2 minutes, so I think if we're going to get the maximum amperage, we'll have got it out of the battery while it's at the highest voltage, because it'll be using the most power. So I'm guessing before I take the shell off, it did 143 on the bench, so I reckon it's just over 200, maybe 220 amps. So let's take it off and see. Oh, look at that. 249 amps. Look at the amount of grass in there. Wow, that is crazy. That is a lot of amperage. Is that fan on the ESC is still going? So no wonder the battery gets hot. But interestingly, the motor itself doesn't get that hot. So it's a very impressive motor. It's like I've got half the field in the back of the truck here. So anyway, I'm going to burn the rest of this battery off and we'll see what it is at the end. But I don't reckon it's going to get more than 249 amps. So that's it for this one. You can see how much grass is in there. The fan has actually stopped now, I think. So I'll have to sort that out, but 249 amps max. So that's still plenty. Anyway, that's it for this one. Goodbye.